Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Nissan Juke Ti-S, stock reference number 5196. This shape runs from the 6th month 2010 through to the 1st month 2015. It has an MR16 DDT, 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. MR16 DDT, 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the bonnet appears to have no damage, tidy radiator grille, right hand quarter lamp, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, left hand fog light, left hand headlight, left hand quarter lamp, left front guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tail light, right front door has one small dent, right guard appears to have no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control heater controls, sat nav CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument clusters and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.